Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to control agent permission access in different ways in BoldDesk. In addition to that, you will also learn how to edit agent access permissions based on brand, ticket, and role. I will also show you how to view the agent roles and permissions and how agent permissions are controlled. Agents are the customer support staff of an organization who resolve customer queries. Agents use the agent portal in BoldDesk to handle support tickets. To manage what agents can see and do in BoldDesk, you can set permission access restrictions. The same access permissions can't be set to all agents as their roles may vary. To know more about the roles and permissions in BoldDesk, follow the link provided in the card above and in the description below. Let's see in detail the different ways agents' permission access can be controlled in BoldDesk. They are: Ticket brand access, which restricts what brand tickets agents can view. It can be used when multiple brands are added in the BoldDesk portal. Ticket access scope, which restricts what tickets agents can view. Roles and permissions, which restricts features agents have access to. To set these restrictions in the agent portal, enable the Manage Agents permission for the admin module under the Roles and Permissions section when defining a role in the admin center. First, let's see how the Ticket brand access option restricts the agent's access permission. Navigate to the admin module page and click Agents under the Users and Permissions settings. The All Agent Details page will be opened. Then, click the Add Agent option. You can find the Ticket brand access option here. The Ticket brand access permission restricts an agent to view only specific brand tickets. For example, if multiple brands are configured in the BoldDesk portal, an agent may need to access only one brand's tickets. By using the Ticket brand access option, you can restrict the agent from viewing other brand tickets by selecting just the required brand. Next, let's see how the Ticket access scope option restricts access. You can find the Ticket access scope option in the Add New Agent screen. Ticket access scope restricts the tickets that agents can view. This option provides three types. They are global, group, and restricted. Let's see them each in detail. An agent who has global ticket access scope can view all the tickets created under the brand that they have access to. For example, if the user has access to only one brand, then they can view all the tickets created in that brand alone. If the agent has group ticket access scope, they have access to all tickets that have been assigned to them, as well as tickets that have been created under groups in which they are a member. If you would like to watch a detailed video about contacts and contact groups in BoldDesk, follow the link provided in the card above and in the description below. If the agent has restricted ticket access scope, they can view only tickets that are assigned to them. If an agent must view unassigned tickets, then global access should be provided to them. Now, let's see how roles and permissions restrict agent access. You can restrict agents' access to a specific feature or module by using the roles defined in BoldDesk. If you would like to watch a detailed video about roles and permissions in BoldDesk, follow the link provided in the card above and in the description below. Based on the role selected when adding an agent, different access permissions will be available for the agents in each module. You can also check what permissions an agent has by navigating to the Agent's Details page and clicking the Access tab. Here, you can see the roles assigned and the permissions configured for each module under those roles. Similarly, agents can also check their own permission access in the Personal Settings page under the Roles and Access section. Agents cannot edit their own permissions. To edit their permissions, they need to contact the organization admin. Finally, let's see how to edit the agent access permissions through Ticket brand access, Ticket access scope, and roles. From the agent listing page in the Admin Center, open the agent for whom the access permissions are to be updated. Now, click on the Edit Agent option. Here, you can find Ticket access scope, Ticket brand access, and roles options. Suppose you want to change the ticket access scope from global to restricted. Click on the drop-down menu in Ticket access scope, select the restricted scope, and click Update. You can change the ticket brand access and roles for an agent in the same way. Let me summarize what we covered. In this video, I explained how agent permission access can be controlled in different ways and how to edit it. I also explained how to view the agent roles and permissions and manage them. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.